Want to learn how to ride a motorcycle? Well, this one's for you. Hit it! Hey everyone, Awesome Guy 95 here, and today I will be reacting to How to Ride a Motorcycle, created by How to Basic. So now without further ado, on with the video! How to ride a motorcycle. Behold the motorcycle. Beholding. In the meantime, just enjoy the music. Step 1. Starting the engine. Insert the key. Switch to on position. Hold the clutch lever down. Press the starter button and pull the throttle. Step 2. Driving the motorcycle. Or egging the motorcycle. Okay. We're egging the motorcycle. Oh, he's packing heat. Adult supervision is required while using the 50 cal. Do not try this at home. Step 3. Oh my gosh. Ruined. The motorcycle is ruined. Ruined. Moving on. Anyway, step 3. Allow the motorcycle to burn out. Oh my goodness. Apply water where necessary. It's ruined. Oh my goodness. What in the world? Nope. Nope. Yeah, you can't start it now. You can't rev it up. There are no wheels, no rubber, no. Yeah, no wheels, no tires. It's just gone. Just gone. It's just not gonna go anywhere. You're just stuck there. You just can't. You just stuck where you are. There's no revving, no driving, no steering. It's just gone. Just well, not entirely gone, but it's just ruined. And that's all I can tell you for now. Okay, that's another way. Nice. Good job. Well, there you have it. That's how you ride a motorcycle. I couldn't resist. Thank you, How to Basic. I can't wait to see more. Thanks for watching. I'm Awesome Guy 95. Stay tuned for more reactions. Never mind, I'll see you next time. Every time, stay safe, take care, to witches, and peace.